Welcome once again, students. Don't be so cheap. You have to share the videos to other students also, so that they can be benefited by the explanation of the lesson, so that they can get the education also. So please press the bell icon, and you have to subscribe the video so that they will be benefited. Now, in continuation of this lesson, this is the last part of this video of this lesson, and we were learning about the Mukesh's story. Hearing him, one wonders if he has achieved what many have failed in their lifetime. He has a roof over his head. The cry of not having money to do anything except to carry on the business of making bangles, not even enough to eat, rings in every home. The young men echo the lament, mean the sadness of their elders. Little has moved with time, means with the time this lament, this pretension that they are making bangles, they don't have so much money, it sinks in every house. It seems in Firozabad, years of mind-numbing toil, means whatsoever they are thinking in their mind, it has grasped all the initiative and the ability to dream. Means they are unable to think, they are unable to do anything innovative, and all the thing it is grabbed by the people. Why not organize yourselves into a cooperative? The narrator asks the question, why not organize yourself into a cooperative society? I ask a group of young men who have fallen into the vicious circle of middlemen who trapped their fathers and forefathers. Even if we get organized, this is the answer, even if we get organized, we are the ones who will be hauled up, we will be dragged up by the police, beaten and dragged to jail for doing something illegal. They say there is no leader among them, no one who could help them see things differently. Their fathers are as tired as they are. They talk endlessly in a spiral that moves from poverty to apathy, apathy to greed, and to injustice. This poverty, it moves to apathy, where the dull life deals to greed. It creates the greed, and it creates after that injustice. Listening to them, I see two distinct worlds. One of the family caught in a web of poverty, burdened by the stigma of the caste. The stigma of the caste means they have taken birth in that caste. It is the stigma, it is dishonest, it is humiliation, in which they are born. The other, a vicious circle of the sahukars, the middlemen, the policemen, the keepers of law, the bureaucrats and the politicians. Together they have imposed the baggage on the child that he cannot put down. Means they have given so much money to him, he is unable to pay out after that. Before he is aware, he accepts it as naturally as his father. Means before growing up, after growing up, he accepts all the things as naturally as their fathers they have accepted. To do anything else would mean to dare. It means to show the courage, and daring is not the part of his growing up. When I sense a flash on it, Mukesh, I am cheered. I want to become a motor mechanic. He repeats. He will go to a garage and learn, but the garage is a long way from his home. I will walk, he insists. It is his insistence. I will walk there. I will learn how to drive a car. Do you also dream of flying a plane also? He is suddenly silent. No, he says, staring the ground. In his small murmur, there is an embarrassment. There is an puzzlement. He was somehow puzzled. He was somehow surprised. That has not yet turned into regret. He is content to dream of cars only, that he sees hurtling down the streets of his town. Means all the cars, they hurtle down in the streets of Firozabad. Only few aeroplanes fly over Firozabad. He wanted to be a mechanic, and the cars, they are more in number. Only then his business, it would be flushed out. Otherwise he will be no more, or means he will get less money after that. So student, this is the explanation of the lesson, and you have to learn, or you have to see the question answers, and whatsoever I have explained, you have to share and subscribe the channel also, whatsoever you have liked, and whatsoever the problem you face, write it down to me in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice